fuck? Oh, damn. Okay. So, as you've seen, I just crashed my bike into the creek, but I didn't do this accidentally. I did this on purpose. I just wanted to figure this out, if I can start this bike after I try it out, if I can start this and come back to that creek and see what happens. So let's get down to business. First things first, I'ma take the gas tank in order to flip my bike. Screw out the spark plug, take out the water of the cylinder, then carburetor bolt, take this out, let it leak. What else? Air filter. Try out the air filter, and we'll check. That's a little window. I will see if there is some water in my gearbox, but I guess no. Let's do. Lots of water in here. Okay, let's let it leak out, and now take the seat out and dry the air filter. Let's dry it. Leave it somewhere here. Okay, I forgot to close the gas tank. I wish there is no water in here, but I have fresh gas in the car, so no worries about that. Now it's time for the spark plug to come out. Okay, it will dry out. Let's flip the bike. Oh yeah, it's leaking. Lots of water in here. What else? Now put in the air gas. Now put it in second. Oh, okay. Let's put it in six. Let's leave it for a couple of minutes to dry out on its own. Of course, there is water in the exhaust, but I don't think if I need to make it to 12 o'clock position like on a wheelie in order for the exhaust to dry, but I guess no need of that. Some water still leaking, but not that much. Okay, now it's time to reassemble everything back. I'm so sorry. Okay, carburetor is still leaking, so a couple of minutes more of waiting. I'm about to put the spark plug back in. Put back in the gas tank. Let the gas flow to the carburetor. Then put that carburetor bolt back on and try to kick it till it starts. If it starts, we'll see. I'm so excited right now. You wish me luck, son. Okay, shit happened. I don't know how to name this tube, but it is broken. It broke. Huh. How to figure this out now? Okay, I will think something. Okay, I have a mechanical air compressor in my car. I might take that long of this. Sorry, I don't know how to name this. It's not that much. I will take that and put it in my bike. Okay, this one is broken. This part broke. Yeah. And this one is new one. Let's come back to work. Let's get back to work. Okay, it fits perfectly, sits correctly. I'm so happy because I was starting to worry about that. Let's see if gas leaks. Where is it? Oh, right. That's good. Great. Hoppa. Screwing this back on, and spark plug fits well. This is sits in his place, let's say that. And after I put this back on, we'll try to kick this. Okay, let's try to start this, and if nothing happens, you have to do once again all the procedure. Fuel. Okay. Okay, easy. 6 gear. Let's try. So let's put all the things back on and get back to that creek. Just like that. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Till next time.